All right, today we're going to take a look at a somewhat different Zippo, and it's a new design they just came out with last year. Now this thing arrived in the normal or the protective sleeve, and the only thing it says on the above the barcode is Zippo, and it's in the normal black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA, and it also just says Zippo above the barcode. So this is a first look, and it's on a neon orange case. It's a really bright neon orange. There's the Zippo logo that I really like. Now that design is a little bit different. It's kind of out of the ordinary. It looks more like a tattoo than their normal designs. It's kind of chaotic, but it's pretty cool. And this one was made in K of 17. Really good stampings on this one. Good sound. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this flame design. It's the neon orange flame with logo. Okay, so it passes the drop test nicely. Now Zippo does not have very many neon orange designs. I have a few. I think they have less than a dozen. This one will fit nicely right there with a few other neon orange Zippos, and they're all made in the USA, so they definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.